Harsha, I think everybody came or still somebody are there?
Four more to go, sir. We will start in another 2 minutes.
Okay.
By
So
the
what
time
we will do, shall we?
you can tell the students regarding the materials, sir. If anyone is not having the
Right, 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 right. Okay, okay. So children, all of you, today you have to watch carefully. Today we are going to make a lamp, table lamp with a different concept. We are using C elements. C element is just now. So it's a little bit difficult. So that's why by seeing simultaneously, don't draw. Just you observe what I am doing, and if possible, take a pen and a pencil, one white paper, and note down all the steps. So that is better. Okay. So just enjoy, chill, enjoy. Keep it everything in your memory, and afterwards you have to practice. Okay, children. So today, whatever elements we are going to do, the table lamp, you can permanently keep it at your home also. Somewhere it will look really, it will look very beautiful effect. And for this, we required material is a cardboard. We need A3 size cardboard. Is a A3 size cardboard, one cardboard. Any old notebooks cardboard also you can use. We need one black paper.
Sir, small
Black.
cardboards also okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. Long notebook cardboards are there, no? That is enough. Okay. So if you want big, we have to use long notebook. If we want small, then small notebook also enough, no problem. It's a depend on size where you want to keep. Okay. And we need some color papers. Of course, we need some color papers.
Sir, this is okay, sir.
Where I am unable to see. 1 minute.
Sir, this is.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay, no problem. You can use that one. And along with that, this is a common thing. Fevicol. We have to use Fevicol. Always keep big Fevicol. Easy to handle. And we need a tape, normal tape. And most important thing, we need OHP films. So already I told you have to bring the OHP film. This is OHP film. See, I'm keeping paper backside. This one sheet around 5 rupees or 3 rupees something you will get from market. So if in this panic situation you should not go outside, so those who are not having this paper, you can use even polythene sheets also. Carry bag polythene, transparent polythene paper is there, sheet. That one you can use, no problem. Okay, children. So this is the main thing. If you are having this paper, then it is very good. See the quality. It's a fine. Okay. If you have, no problem. Otherwise, you use the polythene bag, transparent polythene bag material also. Okay. So now we are going to start. I will start now. So before that, I will change my camera. So you can see now. Okay. Yes.
Sir, we can use files.
Yeah, file paper, file cardboard also you can use. Any waste cardboard you can use. Here I am using my one A3 size drawing book is there, old drawing book. That drawing book cardboard I am using here. Okay, children. So Harsha, this is a visible. Yes. Use any cardboard, no problem, no issue.
Sir, little bit you need to down the camera. The board is not visible completely. Yeah. To the okay. Now you can move the board to your right, sir.
Right, right.
Okay, sir.
This one. Okay.
Okay.
After when I'm starting only, we have little bit distance. If I will keep the camera height, children cannot see properly because it long shot they can't see detailed work.
This is okay, sir. This is okay. You can continue.
After some time, after few minutes, when I will cut the shape, then automatically it will be reduced.
Okay.
Okay. Now, children, I'm going to start now. So only what you have to do, keep your pencil or pen along with one white paper. and write down all the steps and measurements. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute time. 1 minute time I'm giving. Keep only, yes. You can use any type of cardboard, no problem. If you're not having cardboard, then also I'm giving you a hint. You take the old used chart paper, stick chart paper, overlap it and stick 3 times, so you will get the cardboard effect, thickness. Cardboard we are using only for thickness purpose.
Okay.
So that whatever stand we will make, it will be in standing position. Okay, I think everybody is
sir,
ready now.
One more,
Yes.
one more input. So the meeting is being recorded. So if any students is having any problem, we will send them the video also, the meeting video. So afterwards also they can even see and make. So
yeah,
it will be helpful for them.
Yes, so we today onwards we are included that one. Those who are missing or can't understand in between, maybe forgot a lengthy video, whatever it may be, you will get the recorded video also, everyone. So by seeing also, you can do the work. Fine. So I'm going to start now. Yeah. So this is a cardboard, A4, A3 size cardboard. See here, back side. I have done some lines. So I'm giving you measurement, what you have to do. Okay. So this is my scale. I'm using this scale. So the scale length is 12 inches. 12 inches. Children, better to mute your microphone. Better to use your microphone. Switch off. Mute it. Okay, fine. Now, this is a 12 inch. 12 inch is there. I want 11-inch height. My light lamp should be 11-inch height. So I'm taking 11-inch cardboard. See, this is a 11-inch cardboard. 11-inch cardboard. And this length, height is okay. Length I want 4 inch. So this is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 inch. See, 4 inch. Okay. So I made the rectangular shape 4 into 11 inch. 4 into 11 inch. 4 inch, 11 inch. Okay. Like that, I want 4 parts. See, I made already 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an extra part. I will cut afterwards. Okay, children. So what is the size is 4 into 11. Suppose you have this much size only your cardboard. Cardboard, your whatever cardboard you have. If you have this much size only. Height. No problem. You take this height. But this length should be 4 inch. This one you maintain 4 inch. That is enough. Okay. So 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4 ja 16 inch. We need the length. And whatever height paper you have, that is your height. I think this is clear. For understanding purpose, you write down 11 into 4 into 4 pieces. For example, 11 into 4 rectangle. We need 4 pieces. Okay, don't separate them. Don't separate it. 4 pieces. So this is the first step. Second, you have to take 2 inches. Here 2 inches, you have to take measurement and put the line and draw one horizontal line. Top side 2 inch, down side 2 inch. You have to draw 2 horizontal lines. Okay, this is a strip. See. So what is the size? This one 2 inch, here 2 inch. Suppose your cardboard height is less. You're not having this much lengthy cardboard. If you have short cardboard, then this 2 inch you have to reduce. You have to make 1.5 inch. That is your choice. 1.5 inch. This is the base and this is the top of the light, our lamp. So though I am having 11-inch height cardboard, that's why I'm using 2-inch borders, both sides. If you are having 7-inch only, then you have to use 1.5, 1.5. If you have 6-inch cardboard only, then use 1 inch, 1 inch. So that ratio will be, you only decide. Okay, children? Right. So total I made Yeah, again I'm telling. Total I made 1, 2, 3, 4 parts because I am making cube nose, all 4 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. Each part size I have taken 11 into 4 inch. And I have given 2 inch border top side and downside 2 inch border. Okay, children, understood this one? Now I am going to cut. So this is the scissor. This is my favorite scissor cutter. I'm using this one. But you can use even normal cutter also, or you can use scissor also. No problem. So keep this one cardboard like this. Whenever you will using cutter, you have to use steel scale and put the scale in both side edge. Stress your fingers both side and hold tightly. This cutter, whatever cutter you are using, it should be a 90 angle straight. You should not do like this or like this. And first attempt only, don't make dark cutting. Don't do. If this cutter will skid little bit, your fingers will cut. So first you have to make a path. Just lightly you draw the line. See, I'm doing very lightly. 2 times. 3rd time. Now my path is clear. Now I will make 4th time. I'm putting little bit pressure and darkly I am cutting. See. This is a cardboard, not a paper. That's why you have to cut number of time. See. Or this is called sharp cutting method. You have to follow like this. By scissor, we won't get like this perfect cutting. See, this is the perfect cutting with 90 angle. So you can use normal scissor also, no problem. For this, we don't want exact perfect cutting. But if you will make that habit to cut properly, then that is better. Yeah. Now this is the exact size. See, all 4 parts are there. Both side also 2 inch strips are there. So this is ready. Now, what we have to do? So first part, we have to leave it. And from 2nd, 3rd and 4th part, we have to make a window. We have to make a window cutting. So how to do? We have to remove this center part. We have to remove these 3 center parts. For one, we are leaving as it is. Okay, children? So how that one you will do, I will tell you. So yeah. Again, you take cutter. And from exact, you have to start cutting. But when you will start cutting and ending the cutting part, you have to leave it some parts. Here you cut start, here start, up to here and up to here. You have to leave some part and then you do cut. Then you have to cut. Okay. See, you start from top side, but you end here before only.
Sir, down
Okay.
we can't see, sir.
Okay. Now you can see now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You have to see, you cut properly. Once you check back side, is there? Okay, no problem. Now here, now second part. When you are going to cut second part, you have to leave it small gaps. See, can you see that? Small gaps are left. Now you have to cut. I will check back side. Okay, not bad. And now, again, for second box also I will do like that only. I will leave small gaps. Just we are cutting the window. See, this is the base. How for building, how foundation we are making. For making foundation, we are taking a lot of time for any building. like that. This is a base work. You take time, no problem. But this base is perfect, then everything will look perfect. So make this base perfectly. Yes. And now,
Sir, once again you show how to.
yeah, see, if I'm cutting 4 times. So first you cut these borders. I made a pencil drawing. You cut that part. And second side, you have to leave it small bit. Or some 3-4 mm you have to leave it. This is the end part. Don't try to cut in single stroke. Okay, you have to compulsory repeat like this. Then only you will get perfect cutting. Okay. Now you see, I made the cutting here in border. Second, I leave some 3-4 mm gap and then I cut. Again, I leave 3-4 mm gap here in border. 3-4 mm gap both side. Here also 3-4 mm gap I leave and again I cut. Now I will cut horizontally also. So I'm keeping scale like this. Okay. So first part I will cut.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఫోన్ చేసి అడుగు వస్తున్నారా ఆడియో. ఎందుకే రే క్లాస్
Mute children, mute. Mute your phone. Okay. So I made this side. Now here also I will cut.
Sir, both up and down we have to cut, sir.
Both side, vertically, horizontally, both side you have to cut.
Okay.
Then only we will get the window shape.
మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి
Okay. Again, I will give you diagram afterwards after cutting. So yeah, I made the cut. Now you can understand when I will remove the window part. See. When you are removing, you should not put pressure. Gently you have to remove because this part is a very delicate part. Yeah. See. Yes. Actually, for this type of cutting, you have to keep 2 cardboards. In between, you have to keep this paper and then you cut. Then what happened? This pointed cutter's point part will go little bit inside and easily we can cut. Yeah. See, I'm removing first window. See, this is I removed first window. Now you can understand better. See, okay, like that. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. See, we removed 3 windows. Now you can see that. Okay. So in this, what happened? One part is completely separated here. Don't worry. What you have to do, just you take the Fevicol. Put the Fevicol here and just adjust it. That's all. Yeah. Now I'm making the edges sharp.
Sometimes we should get 11 inches that window, sir.
Yeah, 7 inches. See, it should be in a rectangular shape. You can take any size, no problem. But this size is a universal size. It will look nice. If you will take 11 by 4 inch size rectangular shape, then it will be look perfect. If you are having material, you make like that. If you won't have that size material cardboard, then you can create this shape according to your cardboard size. See, you hold here and cut. Make it sharp. Yes. See now, everything is ready. Now what you have to do? Just you hold cardboard like this and run both sides your fingers. See. Yeah.
Sir, wait 1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay. What you're doing? You're also doing a
Some people are
simultaneously.
actually, some people are doing, sir, along with you.
Better to don't do. Better to don't do.
If
It will
someone is
take
doing,
time.
you
I'm
can.
making very fast. For cutting, you will take a lot of time. Okay. Now see, this is the actually size. Okay. So I'm giving you one measurement. I'm giving you one measurement.
Students, don't worry. We will provide you the
We
recording of
will
the
provide the
yeah.
video also, so don't worry. So I'm taking one rectangle cardboard. See here, I'm taking one rectangle cardboard. Everybody, it's visible, no, Harsha? Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
Okay. Now I'm making 4 parts. First, I will take 4 inch, 4 inch. Again, I will put 4 inch dot. Again, 4 inch, and this is 4 inch. So like that, I will prepare 4 blocks. Then I will take here. This is a total length is 11 inch.
Make 4 blocks on paper or cardboard.
I am showing diagram. You have to make in cardboard. Okay. Then you have to go through this 4, 4, 4. No, here 11 inch. Then you have to draw one horizontal line with 2 inch top side and bottom side. This is also 2 inch. Then this part you have to remove. This side leave it small gap and you have to remove. This side small gap, remove. This side small. This one is leave it. You don't want to cut one side. Okay. So this one we need. So 3 side only you have to cut. Okay, children? Right. See, this is the diagram which you have to follow. Okay, right. Next. This is our window is over. So main part is over. Now second part we are coming. We need one black chart or black paper also enough. I'm taking one black chart and see this one. I'm keeping here same size black chart I'm taking, but this time I need little bit extra, little bit for pasting purpose. See this much extra I'm taking, small bit. Okay. So now what you have to do, on black chart you take any color pencil color pencil I'm saying, white or blue or any color, and you have to make the borders here. See, very simple to create the window. Okay, right. Okay, children. So now this is the diagram we got. Now what I am doing is I will simply remove this total window area. How you see? Again, I'm using cutter. See, I'm removing complete window area. This cutting should be a sharp. We are covering that cardboard. Yes. Yeah. See. See now. I covered this cardboard. Okay, children? Yes. So now what I will do, I will put the Fevicol on this back side. This side I will put the Fevicol and I will paste. Why back side I told? Because this side, whatever lines we made, no, that lines are important. So that's why you have to paste back side. And you have to put the Fevicol properly. Don't do any conjuicy to applying this Fevicol. Visnardano cheyoddu. You put thoroughly, properly Fevicol. Use sufficient Fevicol. First you make the borders, then inside you have to apply like this. Especially in folding place. Okay. Now, wherever folds are there in that area, you have to put lot of Fevicol. See here. Lot of means all area you have to cover. All the folding areas. See, these are the folding area. Yes. Now I'm going to paste. Find out which area is fine, this one or that one, and then you paste it. Yes. In craft work, neatness is the most important part. Neatness, if we have neatness in our working area also, then only your painting will come perfect. If your working area is not neat and clean, the things will stick in your product and you won't get like up to mark. See, I pasted now. So before turning, I will clean the my area. You have to clean. So much dust is there, everything. You have to clean it. Yeah. Now, see, I made no. Now I'm turning. Okay. So what happened now? I have some extra part this side. You can see now. See this side. I have a little bit extra part. Keep downside paper so that you can see. See, this is a black extra part. Like that downside extra part. We need this one for pasting purpose. Okay. So now this is over. Is ready now. Okay. This much I think everybody understood. This part everybody understood, I think. Okay. Now, again now take the scale. And this time, to keep the scale, see here marking is there, both sides. Marking is there. So this time what you have to do, keep the scale and both side you have to run the cutter reverse side, reverse. This is straight, see, this side is sharp, this side. And second side is not a sharp, but I'm using second side. Why? Because I don't want to cut. I want to make a path for folding purpose. See, I think you understood now. In your cutter also you can use. Otherwise you can use even scissor also. I will show you with scissor. See, if you have scissor, with scissor also you can use. See, this is the line, both side. Put here. And with scissor you have to make the fold. See, open the scissor and then you fold. Yeah, like that here also.
Sir, the 7-inch materials are used.
What is saying?
First you cut it 7 inches, no sir.
That
That materials are used.
we can use for other product purpose. Here it is not useful. Okay. In some any other article you can use. You are saying this part, no? You are saying this part we remove from here.
Sir.
You can use any other places. Here we not required this one. Now see, I made the fold. Now I am going to make a fold. This paper also I will fold here. Now you see, keep the scale here and gently you have to make fold. See, slowly. Yeah, I think you understood how to fold. Compulsory you have to keep the scale. See now, you will get perfect fold. You understood? See, afterwards you keep here and fold it. Turn this side, keep here and fold it. Okay, children? You see this one. Okay. I think a board contrast is not sufficient, so I'm keeping one white paper so that you can see easily. Now you can see easily. Look, children, how I folded. Okay. This is first fold. Like that, all the three parts we have to fold. See, I am keeping scale here in the fold place. Put the pressure. Slowly you have to lift one side, not fully, slowly. Then here also 45 angle you lift. Then both side you put your hand like this and slowly bring up. Slowly up. See. Don't bother about this. You make this fold perfect here. Yes. Yes. Nice. Now you remove this one. Now slowly you turn, keep straight and make fold here. See. I'm making very strong so that I can use this one at home. When you will put the bulb inside, by that heat, this cardboard should not be get bent. That's why I'm using quality, little bit better cardboard. Yeah. See, two parts I already folded, one and this is second. Now third fold I'm going to make same way.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Harsha.
in another 3 minutes, this meeting will be ending the 40-minute session. Already,
Okay.
I have sent second meeting codes in students' WhatsApp. They have received
Okay.
already their second meeting code. So immediately after this meeting getting disconnected, students can join in the second meeting, and we can continue
children.
this seminar there.
Fine, Harsha. Okay, children, this session time is going to wind up now. Only this meeting time. So if it will close again, Harsha sir send you another link. You join through that link. So we will continue there. Now, here I am making fold, third part. This is the main part of the lamp. See, I am making fold. So you have to follow the techniques, then you will get the perfect folds. See, now see this one. Here also we got the fold. This is the fold. See, this is first fold. This is second fold. And this is third fold. Now you can see if we will joint like this, it will look perfect. See this one. Okay, children, this one. Okay, so we made the folds. Now we will open. Okay, now what happened? This small bit is there. No, again you put the Fevicol and paste.
Sir, the meeting
Yes.
the meeting will end anytime in 1 minute. So I request
Okay.
all the students they can join. You can see your WhatsApp. There is one more link. Same process. 1234 is the password. You can join in the second meeting. The second meeting we will start in just 1 minute.
So
all the
Harsha, shall we stop now here?
Yes, sir.
And
We can,
better to
anyhow, this meeting
we will.
this meeting is going to end in 1 minute. So students
Okay.
can log out and join the second meeting. The second meeting will start right
Okay.
now.
Immediately they have to join.
In 1 minute, the students can come.
Okay. Yes. So till I will finish this part. Here what I did, a little bit extra black color is there, paper. So I removed that one. Now it's looking like this. See, bonded. Okay. Now what you have to do? After this, when work is over, now you have to take marker pen, black marker pen, and with that, this whatever line here, this cardboard is there, no, this one you have to color, or you can use poster color also, you can apply here. So this one you have to make a black. You use poster color, so it will come nicely. Yes. Yeah. So this side part is over. Our work is over this side. Now we will turn. Now I will turn. Now what you have to do? So simple. This is the way. Okay. Now what you have to do? You take OHP film. You take the OHP film. You keep it in this. See, you adjust here. Okay. And now you make the measurement here. See, this fold is here, no? So you have to put here mark. You can use marker pen. See here. We need fold from here to here. Okay. Now same way how we did in cardboard, you have to take out this part. Take the scale. The plastic scale is also okay, no problem. This time you use scissor, reverse scissor. Reverse, and lightly you have to make a mark. See, like this. No need to cut like that both side. Why I told like that lightly? So that you will get the easy fold. See, this paper is going to fold easily like this. Then here also I'm making here also. And this part also you have to fold. I kept this paper for you. It's easy to visible. That's why afterwards you can remove this one, not required. And now take this part, keep it here like this. And now you have to put the Fevicol and paste it. So again, I am saying use Fevicol properly. Both side you have to paste. See, both side. And this time we will put the Fevicol in center strip also, so that strip will get the strength. Okay. Now, see this one. Now I'm going to paste. Yes. Have to paste like this. You see that fold where we made the fold. Once you fold that part, see, and test, and then you paste.
Sir, we can use tape also.
You can use tape afterwards. First you put the Fevicol and then you use the tape. Not now. You must put the Fevicol. See. Yeah. Excess Fevicol, you remove it. Yes. And whatever Fevicol is here, see in this part, don't worry. When it will dry easily, you can peel them. You can remove easily. Now also you can rub, no problem. Yeah. Yes. So like this you have to paste and leave it for some time. Before that, you take the tape, any tape, and paste here. Why we kept the Fevicol here? Because this film should be pasted in the edges. Yes. Yeah. Yes. So let them dry. Now we have another work. Let them dry. I'm keeping one side. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to make a fishes with a different color papers. See, I'm taking one yellow paper, some orange paper, purple, like this different papers I'm using. You can create a fishes now. So how to do? I will show you one fish afterwards. You have to prepare like the different type of fishes. So first you have to take, suppose I'm using purple color. So first I will draw the diagram of the fish. See, diagram of the fish like this. You have to cut that shape with scissor. You have to cut that shape. See, like this, cut the shape. And then if you want to put inside some designs with some orange color or something, then you take any piece of orange color. Suppose I want some design inside. So first I will keep here like this. I will draw the diagram. And then I will draw design here, whatever design I want. Suppose I want like this design. This part I want. So then I will cut that part. You understood? I am overlapping orange color on a purple color. See, this is the fish design. Instead of color, we are using color papers. So it will look very bright. Look here. So this design I will paste in this place. In this place. See, I will use that one. Yes. See, I use this one. Now I am using yellow color. So I will take yellow strip. There is one yellow strip I am using here. See how to do. So here also again same. Suppose you want here yellow strip. So you draw keep this fish shape here. Draw the diagram. And we need here, no? So you have to draw here one. Like this shape. Like that I want backside also. Here. So I made the shape. This is a shape. And here I am cutting like this. Now you see. Yeah, like that small one. Yes. Okay, children. Now I'm going to paste here. See, I'll just apply Fevicol. Drops only. And I will paste here. I will overlap on orange and I will paste. See. Okay, like that this part also. I'm going to paste here. Yes. Now, whatever excess part is there, see backside, and you have to remove. Yes. Yeah. See. Now, I will take small white paper. I will take small white paper. And I will cut the eye. So I will cut the eye shape. One round shape. Yeah. Now put the Fevicol. And that part you have to paste in a eye place. Yes. Okay, children. Now, see, this is our fish is ready. I will keep on a white background. Then you can see. Yeah. Now, you take the black pen, sketch pen, put the drop here, eye. Make this eye outline with the black. See, mouth with the black. These lines, designs you have to make outline like this. Here also edges you can make dark. Here you can draw the texture like this. This is everything is depend on your creativity. How you're creating that fish, it is upon you. So this design also you can change. Okay, children, you see how I made the fish. I think you understand that. See this one. You have to create like this fish. You can use 2-3 colors. So like that, you have to make different fishes with the different colors and different sizes also. Once again, I am saying create the fishes in different sizes and use different colors. Here already I made, I will show you. See, I made the blue color fish. See, I made blue color fish. I made a yellow color fish also. See, this is a yellow color fish, single color. This is a single color. Okay. I made with orange. You see, you can see in black also nicely. Yes. And I made like that orange, and I made one big fish. So these all are fishes I made. So this is a big fish I made. See this one color. I teach you now. See like this, same model. Okay. So like that you have to create nearly 10 to 12 fishes. Different size. See, this is the big. Then this is second size. This is third size. This is more smaller. Okay, children. So use color papers, or you can paint the fishes in white chart paper and you can cut. But if you will use color papers, no, it will look very bright. See, orange, yellow looking very bright. These colors looking very bright. So use like this bright colors. Now, this fishes is over. Our third part is over. First part we made the cardboard window shapes. Second part we pasted the OHV films. Third part we prepared the fishes. Now I'm keeping this one also separate. Now clean your working area. Yes. Now some plants are there inside the sea. Inside the sea, you have. So we are having some plants. So for making plants, we will use some green, different type of green color, yellow color papers. So what is the size of our lamp? That's 7-inch window. So in this 7-inch only, you have to prepare the plants. See, I'm taking 7-inch. This is a 7-inch maximum height. So you have to make a small plants. So how to make a small plant? Simply we'll use black so that you can see. See, like these plants you have to prepare. Some plants are big, some are small. See. Okay, children, like this. Now what you have to do, take this one, keep it in another paper, another color paper, take another color paper. So at a time you hold 3 papers. At a time you hold 3 papers. And now you have to cut. So you will get at a time 3 shapes. Now I'm holding like this. And you see, when you're cutting with scissor, no, you have to use complete scissors mouth. See, some people are cutting from edges. No, you have to open completely, open the scissor mouth completely. Then you have to cut. Then the scissor will go easily anywhere. See, I'm opening complete mouth of the scissor. Now you run. See, you have to turn the paper like this. Like this you have to cut. Are you getting bored or what, children? It's interesting or boring? Anybody can
Interesting,
answer.
sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Interesting college, sir.
I'm teaching little bit difficult level, second level starting only I said.
Interesting, sir.
Then you can create more. Those who are very good, it is useful for them also. And those who are beginners, don't worry. You can take a simple forms. Only you have to catch the concept and create your own. Concept is main. See, these strips you can use, even single normal strips also you can paste. But if you will do like this, it is better. It will look natural. See now, looking no. See plants. You can use like this plants also, cutting paper also. See like this one also you can use. Arranging all these things. Because this one also you can use. See the combination. Okay. So it is not necessary to draw same thing. Those who can cut like this use. Otherwise you can use any shapes. You can cut the leaf shapes and you can paste. So creativity is not having any end. You can create your own, so many same thing, same light lamp we can create in thousands of models. Okay, so now our elements are ready, our structure is ready, objects are ready, plants are ready, everything ready. Now we will assemble them. So again I'm bringing back. So before that I will take out all these things. Okay, now coming back. Yes, now this is visible, everybody. Yeah, Harsha, this is okay, no?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay, right, fine. Now what we are going to do first, one more thing I forgot. I like starfish. Do you like, children, starfish?
Yes,
Like
sir.
or not? Yes.
Yes,
So I
sir.
want to make one starfish.
Elephants also, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So
Sir, we are
I will
left with
draw
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay, I will finish
15
fast.
minutes. So I guess we should a little bit
Yeah,
fast.
yeah. I will make fast. Okay. So you have to draw the star fish, star shape, and you have to cut. Asha, time is running very fast.
Yes, sir. It's already 1 hour 5 minutes from 10 o'clock. It's 11:05 now.
Yeah.
1 hour 5 minutes is over already.
Yes. See now, like the stars you can make, create the stars and put the eyes, mouth. Okay, both side you can put like this lines. Yes. Now children, what to do? This is also ready. Now this big part is there, no? There we will paste one blue color paper. See blue color, or you can use peacock blue or light blue also you can use. See measure the size, cut that part. Yes. Now I'm using Fevicol and I will apply here. Yeah. So I will paste this one. Yes. Yeah. Now ready. Now first one, big fish is there, no? Big fishes. First I will take one big fish and I will paste here. See, this is the window area from which we can see. So you have to paste in between these two lines only. So I'm taking Fevicol, applying Fevicol. Yes. I have to paste here. See now, I pasted here. Now I will take another fish. This blue fish I will take and I will paste here. See, that's all. Now I will use black pen and I will make the bubbles. See, bubbles like this. Small fish, small bubbles. Looking nice? Okay. Blue color, lightly one side you feel blue color. Okay, yes, enough. Now I will take one plant. I will use one plant. Some yellow color. And I will paste. This one I will paste here. This one like this. Okay, this is looking nice. So just you take the Fevicol, turn, put the dots. No need to fill the color fully. Just you put the dots. So when air will pass, that papers will move. So it will look natural. See. Yeah. So this is the part over. Now in this place, first I will paste starfish. See. Then I will use some orange fish. See, yeah, this is the fish now. Now what you have to do, this one you have to paste reverse. Put here in white place Fevicol and you have to paste here. Like that. Other fishes also. Yeah. You have to place it. See, here. Put simple dot and paste it. You have to use this MR Fevicol. So what happened after when Fevicol will dry, no? This Fevicol will be converted in a transparent color. Yes. I'm taking big fish. I want to paste here in center part. Yes. Here I will put. Yes. Now, one more orange. This fish turning that side.
Sir, we have last 10 minutes left.
Okay. Now, Harsha, better to create one more link
One more
for
meeting.
10 more minutes. Just I want to conclude properly.
Okay, sir. I'll create one more meeting.
One more meeting.
So students, as this is a craft activity, we are creating one more meeting to conclude in another 20 minutes. This meeting will run for next 10 minutes. After this meeting end, check your WhatsApp. We are sending you one more link. You can join from that. This meeting is there for next 10 minutes. No problem.
Okay. So this is another fish. So one more fish left. I will paste this one also. Yes. Now what we have to do, you have to take this green leaves and we have to paste. So I will show you. You take the Fevicol, put in a dot way. See, dot. No need to fill. Yes. And I will overlap on this fish. See. Yes. Overlap it. Then I will use another color. Yes. And I will overlap on a green. You have to do proper placement. You think how it will look nice, where we have to keep like this. See. Okay. Yes. Here. See, I pasted here. Orange color. Now I will use yellow color. This yellow color. So this is yellow color. I will overlap here. Yes. See. Okay, children. Now main part is over. Now what you have to do? This extra part is there. No, this extra part. I'm showing this extra part. You have to fold it. You have to fold it. And now you make the fold, proper fold here, first fold. You have to wait for few minutes, children. When it will dry, then only you do it. Although we won't have time, that's why I'm doing in a hurry. But you have to do after dry. Slowly you have to put pressure and close this one. See. Try to close. Yes. Yeah, very good. Right, fine. So now I made the fold properly. Now I will put the Fevicol here. And simultaneously, I will take the tape. Half tape I will paste downside. See, that tape should not move front side. So take both side tape. Okay. Now I will close. I will close. Yes. I'm pasting. Yes. Same way this side also. I'm pasting. Now you observe now. See this. See this. Okay. Now this is a looking little bit cross. Now you make it straight. How you will have to make? You put the pressure here. It will come automatically. If it is coming cross, then you think this is correct. If you are not getting that this tightness, then you think something mistake is happened. So if shape is like that, then you are correct. Then you have to put pressure here. It will come automatically in proper way. Yes. See. Okay, children. This is the way you have to do. Now, I will show you from front side how it will look. Okay. Can you see, children, now? See how it's looking.
Yes, sir.
See how
Yes,
it's
sir.
looking. Beautiful. See,
Yes, sir.
looking nice.
Yes, sir.
Now I will show you practically. I will show you practically. Yes. Now you see, I will show you practically how it will look under light. So I made arrangements. I have taken one box. You can see this one. One box. You can take a LED bulb. Flat bulb is available in market. I am keeping here torch. See, this is the torch. So I'm keeping on and I arranged here like this. Okay. Now I will off the light so that you can see the effects. See now, there is a light. So if I will keep this one inside, I have to put. Look how it's looking beautiful. Looking nice?
Yes, very good.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
looking nice.
Wow.
Awesome, awesome.
Daddy.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So if you will keep like this, you will get the colorful lights at home. See, colorful lights at home, all the surroundings.
Wow.
See this one. Okay, children. Now see how looking. All the three sides I am showing. Like this. You can create anything inside fishes. How it's looking nice. Okay, children. So you will try this one.
Sir, third meeting is also created. Third meeting.
But I think over. Harsha, I think it's over time.
Okay.
Already finishing is over.
If it is concluded, students can avoid.
I will conclude.
Because we have only like
Okay.
1.5 minutes left.
Okay.
Wouldn't have any doubt.
Okay.
Better join the third meeting. We can just conclude.
Okay,
that.
then children, you want one more session for this? Immediately you can join in another
Yes,
link.
sir.
Okay, Harsha.
So
after
now
this-
students, you can log out from the session and join another session. Just 10 minutes, we will take your notes and your
Okay, all of you log out. You got. You will get another link.
You already got
Join
another
to that.
link in your WhatsApp, so you can click and join in the second meeting.
Okay,
Students,
fine.
you have got just 10 minutes. We'll conclude that in the second meeting. So you can log out from here and join in the other link.
You have to wait 10 minutes. Then when Fevicol will completely dry, then you can fold and paste it. Okay, children. This is about our table lamp. Previous class we learn oil pastels, how to use the oil pastels with the different techniques. So every Sunday we are coming to teach you something new things, technical things. So those who are interested, they can enjoy. And we kept the entry fee also just naam ke vaste 20 rupees minimum charges, because and we got 2 time disturbance, like 40 minutes break in class, because this is the free session of the Zoom. If I will pay Zoom session charges to 1200, 1300, 1500, that burden I don't want to put on you. So that's why we have used that free webinar. Only this minimum current charges and remaining other charges, labor charges purpose, we kept only 20 rupees for you. So this one next week also we are thinking to continue. We don't know how long we will continue this one, because shortly we are going to start our examinations. So we are conducting exams, Prachini Kala Kendra diploma exams. Prachini
Sir,
Kala
which
Kendra is a
exams?
university. Yes, Prachini Kala Kendra is a Chandigarh university who is conducting art examination in class 1 students to PG level, different level students purpose. For kids, they are conducting junior diploma. For little bit above 14 years children, they are conducting senior diploma. Then professional diploma is there, then degree is there, master degree is there, PhD is there. So all these qualifications useful for your career also, whether you will be an artist or you will go in any field. And if you will join any jobs purpose, you will apply, that time the certificates are useful. So we are running the certificate courses. So that class is shortly going to start from next month onwards. So that's why once that classes will start means we cannot give you like this webinars thoroughly. So that's why next week we will try to give webinar in a poster color. How to use poster color means water medium. So those who are interested, they can join. As well as if you are interested to learn online diploma exams, these are completely online. You can give the exam also through online. So if you are interested, you can contact Harsha sir, or you can call us 9490202411. So we will give the brochures, we will send the brochures and other things. So you can continue your art hobby. So what happened? A qualification is required everywhere, because suppose you are learning 1 year, you're learning an art, and if anybody will ask what you learn, you can't say anything. You will say something, I learn art, or I know this thing, I know that thing. You have to explain them. But when you will write any exam, that certificates will speak how much you know. Just you have to put your certificate in front of them. They will see, this person know these things. So that's why whatever you will learn, you give a proper shape to that, to the exams. So suppose you will be an engineer and you are going for jobs purpose. Nowadays 95-98% is a common for everyone. So company people will also look out overall all-rounders. So that time if they will ask what you know other than these academics, that time you need not explain them, just you have to put your certificate in front of them. They will see the certificate and they can assess you what is your strength. So that's why if anybody are interested to learn art diploma exams, contact us. And if you don't want to learn that one, leave it, no problem. If you want hobbyly join, maybe next week we will come with poster color webinar. It will be 1 hour next class, so you can join that one. Okay children, all the best, do well, safe at home. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We can take any questions from students if anyone is having.
Yeah, if any you can ask any doubts. Yeah, one by one.
Sir, we should keep
First you tell the
sir.
name. Who is speaking? Tell the name.
Abhishek.
Okay, Abhishek, tell.
Sir, you gave us the light lamp.
Yeah.
The light lamp, we should keep the photo to you, sir.
Photo in a group.
Which
I
group,
can't
sir?
understand.
Abhishek,
We will send you through WhatsApp. That photograph
Okay.
we will send you through WhatsApp. Okay. If anybody want that video also we will send you.
this meeting is recorded, so this meeting video will be coming to you by today afternoon. By 1 o'clock, you will be receiving this meeting video. So if anyone is having any doubt, they can completely see the procedure and follow it.
Okay. Any more? Any more?
We are not having OHP film. What should we do, sir?
Yeah. If you're not having OHP film, I told, you can take a carry bags, transparent carry bags, or you can see your notebooks you're covering with one polythene paper. You're covering notebook with one thin polythene paper. That one also you can use. Okay, children? Understood? Any more doubts? So any one or two can give a feedback. How today's session?
Yes, sir.
It is good.
Yes, sir. It's very
Yes, sir,
nice.
very good.
Very good. Very good. So, yeah,
Thank
fine.
you so much.
Okay. So if anybody want to, those who will make notes, you can send your articles photograph along with your name. So we will try to put on our YouTube channel also. We have our YouTube channel, Artica India. There we will display. Yes, madam. Somebody.
Very good.
Thank you. Okay, children. Thank you. Thanks, and one and all.
It is useful for everyone, sir.
Yeah, thank you, madam. We can decorate our house. We can keep somewhere. Even you can put the candle inside when power is not there at home. You put the candle inside and first you light the candle, then you put this lamp on that. So it will look beautiful.
Sir, when is next class, sir?
Next class will be again next Sunday.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
What will
Welcome,
you
madam.
teach? What
Thank
is
you.
the topic,
Thank
sir?
you, sir.
Wavy poster color.
Yes, sir.
How to use poster color? Poster color,
Okay,
you
sir.
know,
Thank you.
water medium. Yes. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, children. Bye.
Okay, thank you, sir. We can conclude.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Yes, log out. Children, all of you log out.
Thank you.
All of you log out.
Happy Sunday.
Thank you.
ఇంత చదువుతుంది కానీ మీకు వస్తుండేది
లాగౌట్